How to add music to your Facebook post. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you how we can add music to our Facebook posts. First, make sure to open Facebook app and log in to your ID. There at the home, you can see what's on your mind option. Tap on it to add a new post. Write something for the status or add photos or videos. Now at the bottom right, you can see 3 dots. Tap on it. Scroll down to find music option and tap on it. Search the music that you want to add to your posts and tap on the music. Once you've done with editing your post, hit the post button at the top right. And that's it. After a few seconds of processing, your post with the desired music will be uploaded. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more similar tech content.